welcome back to our channel. Today we have got something really special for you. The Mingda Magician Pro 2 FDM 3D printer. This machine is packed with features that promise to take your 3D printing game to a whole new level. First, let me show you this beast in action, then we will dive right into the technical features. about the Magician Pro 2's innovator status in auto leveling. This printer comes equipped with a self-developed smart auto leveling function. With just a tap on the leveling option, it performs a precise 36 points auto leveling, saving you valuable time, ensuring your prints start off on the right foot. One of the standout features is the double gears direct extruder. This powerhouse provides a strong pushing force for more stable and accurate printing. It significantly reduces the risk of under extrusion and supports flexible filaments, giving you more material options for your creative projects. Assembly can be a pain, but not with the Magician Pro 2. This 3D printer simplifies the process with just 3 easy steps. The extruder has been upgraded to a quick disassemble version, making the setup even more user-friendly. To enhance stability and smoothness in Z-axis movement, the Magician Pro 2 features dual LED screws and dual motor drive. This not only improves printing accuracy, but also ensures stability throughout the entire printing process. Size matters, and the Magician Pro 2 knows it. With an increased print size of 400 by 400 by 400 mm, you can now unleash your creativity on larger models. This extra large bulk volume opens up a world of possibilities for your 3D printing projects. Say goodbye to messy cables. The Magician Pro 2 boasts a more simple and neat cable setup, especially with the newly upgraded X-axis cable and hotbed cable. No more unsightly wires cluttering up your workspace. Adjusting the XY axis belt tension is a breeze with a built-in belt tensioner. No tools required. It's a convenient hands-on operation that ensures your printer stays finely tuned for optimal performance. Printing adhesion matters, and the Magician Pro 2 delivers with its PEI platform. The special coating and spring steel sheet provide excellent adhesion and anti-warping. Plus, removing your finished prints is a breeze. Just gently bend the PEI. The Magician Pro 2 offers versatility with its multi-connection support. Whether you prefer micro SD card, USB stick or USB-C, this printer has you covered. Achieve online printing by connecting through USB-C port, providing convenience and flexibility. And there you have it, folks, the Mingda Magician Pro 2 FDM 3D printer. With its auto-leveling innovation, dual gears direct extruder, easy assembly, and range of other features, this printer is a true magician in the world of 3D printing. If you are looking to unlock unlimited creativity, this might just be the printer for you. The link for the product is in the description. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting 3D printing content. Happy printing!